I think the Secretary Clinton is correct. Moment of big change, great potential. Can't say how it's going to turn out. What she left out, I think, is the fact that this thaw she referred to is a thaw that occurred internally. Right. It's not the Arab thaw, the Arab revolt, the Arab uprising is not something that we brought about, that we can foster, that we can direct. I think the moment it ought to be a moment of tremendous modesty on our part. We were caught completely by surprise at this Arab uprising. It is the people of Arab countries, Tunisia, Egypt, Syria, you name it, who are making it happen. And to the extent that the United States has any role to play, and I would emphasize it's a role on the margins, it ought to be a role in which we try to encourage those people like the Syrian woman who are committed to making political change happen through nonviolent means. And again, that's why, to my mind, the Libya intervention, which in many respects I think is almost occurring on the periphery of the larger drama, nonetheless was a deeply misguided step because it perpetuates the notion that the essence of American policy in this part of the world is to believe that through violence we can make good things happen.
Enjoy Grit TV? Want more people to see it? Well, we are making our program available free to public television stations coast to coast. If you would like to see our show on your local public television station, please give them a call and ask for Grit TV with Laura Flanders. Thanks.